Sitting on a piece of lakefront land encompassing nearly 10 acres sits an abandoned mansion with a story to tell. The house was custom built in 1941 and has some incredibly unique aspects inside. It was once owned by a wealthy businessman who lived here with his wife and children. They made memories inside the home and lived a happy and carefree life. But something happened since then that changed everything. Today, the home sits rotting away with nearly everything still left inside. It is said that the owners were so rich that once the family grew bored of the home, they simply got up and left, leaving everything behind. We are venturing inside in hopes of better understanding exactly what happened to cause this one-of-a-kind mansion to go abandoned. This doesn't look to be like the front door, because it's really small, but it takes us right into the living room. Got a couch here in the center. Really big fireplace. But one of my favorite parts of this home, this little courtyard area here. You step out these iron doors to your very own courtyard. Lots of vines growing up. It's one of the bedrooms in here. The previous owners left so much behind. Not only just items, but a lot of memories too. You can really piece together the story by taking a look at all the pictures on the shelves and hanging up. Makes you wonder what happened that made them leave so fast. It's a cool walk-in. So much moss. This is super interesting. Look at that. They left it uncovered, the foundation of the house. And it has footprints, I'm assuming from the family that lived here. There's smaller ones on the left side. Small ones on the right. That is cool. I haven't been down this hallway yet. Whoa. Another bedroom. Yeah. Look at their antenna. The tin foil on a hanger, that's funny. Gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Ooh, is this a balcony? Oh, very nice. Oh, I see another structure out there. The computer room must have been their office. This is the kitchen here. An obsolete Void just told me that she wants to open the fridge, so
you think there's gonna be stuff in it?
I hope so. I mean, look at all the stuff left behind here. There has to be.
All right, let's do it.
You ready?
I'm scared.
Yes, sirree. Wow. Here we are. Dang. They kept their spice. Ooh, that smell. You smell that?
Throw up.
That is bad, dude.
Wow, that is really bad. I don't like it. Please close it.
Waste Watcher Diet Citrus Frost. Yum. Not even open.
That is.
That milk expired July 11th, 2014, guys. Unbelievable. Yeah, let's avoid this room for a couple minutes. Alright, it's been a few minutes. It's a really cool kitchen. Has not really an island, but like a double counter space little thing here. There's an oven. Just a really cool layout. You can tell they had a lot of fun with designing this place. So this is the super long hallway. You guys probably can't even see to the end. That goes so far. It's like 40 feet. And then you turn this way. It goes even farther. Oh man, this is another bedroom. Oh, this was the kids' room. Dang. There's so many little toys everywhere. Look at that monster truck. It's crazy. It's probably a blast to play with. Oh, no way. There's so many pictures sitting here on the shelf. Probably give you an idea of the family that used to live here. This was 1995, this photo. Wait a minute, look at this one. This looks like the kitchen, doesn't it? I think that's the kitchen in here. I might go and compare after we look at these photos. I'm going to go and compare, see if this is actually the kitchen or not. But it looks just like it. This is definitely the house. This is that brickwork on the outside. Definitely that window's the front that I showed earlier. Oh, no way. This is where I set up my camera at the beginning in the intro. This is that front, the front patio. That is amazing. Crazy these are all still here. So here's the picture we found in the bedroom. And here's the kitchen. It's the same house. It used to be red, they repainted. This is an old picture from 1995. Right now it's 2024. But all these memories they had in this house, and it's just sitting here like this. They got up and they left everything behind. This room is untouched. It's an interesting lamp. Like a fan lamp. Look at that. More family pictures, of course. They had so many pictures of their family all over this place. They obviously cared for them and they loved them, but to just get up and leave, I don't know. It's just strange they didn't bring anything. I really don't get it. Very strange. This was another kid's room. Nice built-ins. Super moldy though. Kind of gross. Don't really want to touch those. Here is the living room. There was something interesting that I discovered about this. The second I came in, I looked up, and right up there, there is a railing for whatever that is. I don't know, some sort of storage area in the attic, but it comes out to this lookout, and that railing there is made out of guns. There's a shotgun and a couple rifles. I'm gonna go up there and show you guys. It's really interesting. It's a huge fireplace. It's not a very big room though. Kind of strange. You'd think the living room would be a big place, but it's really just a vaulted ceiling and almost the size of a bedroom, if I'm being honest. Metal beam construction. Thought this house was made of wood and brick, but at least the roof is made of metal. Here's that overlook. This is like a little Easter egg of the house. It has the trigger. That's crazy. Can't even tell if that's real, I don't know. At least this part is. This looks like some sort of pipe. Very cool. And this one's a rifle. These might even all be rifles, honestly. Just the barrels of them. Oh yeah, that's a double barrel shotgun, look at that. They took the barrel off of it. Alright, time for the basement. Oh wow. There's a boat down here. There is a whole boat on a trailer. Look at this. Oh, it smells. It's really moldy, but holy smokes. Dang. That's a pretty decent boat, too. That is so cool. Oh, it's got the engine still. Probably fire that up, to be honest. It doesn't look in bad shape at all. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is a lake house. It's right off of a large lake. Wow. I don't think I've ever found a boat like this. I found cars and motorcycles and stuff, but never a boat. Very cool. Alright guys, I think that's going to wrap this one up. This is a really cool spot. Very unique. And I'm still trying to figure out what exactly happened here. I'm going to do some research and I'm going to put as much information as I can in the video. So if you enjoyed, drop a like. Consider subscribing if you do want to see more. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.